these are my test corrections for exam number 4. I missed number 2. I was using the right equation, but I was just thinking about it wrong. I put F when the real answer was going to be B. The two wires exert the same forces of magnitude, same attractive forces of the same magnitude on each other. Because both these wires are going in the same direction using this formula, they'll just have the same attractive forces on each other. Alright, I also missed 5. Once again, I set it up, but I did the math a little wrong. Right here, just having that UL equals 1/2 L times 1/4, because if you do 1/2 and square it, it's just going to go 1/4. So it'll be 1/4 its original. So instead of A, it should have been E. Right? Yep. I wrote C, but it should have been. I just didn't use that. Alright. Number 8. I just used the wrong setup for the equation. I should have been using my omega equals the square root of 1 over LC, and then using my Imax portion of that to get the right equation out of it. And 9 was a similar kind of scenario where I set up everything the right way, but I just did my math a little weird when I had my original equation, the m naught I over 2 pi d, and then I set b equal to 0 and set the two equations equal to each other. And then I just didn't do my math very well. This should have ended up with an equation I2 equals R2 over R1 times I1, which gave me this, which in the end gave me 3.5 amps, which was just double my original answer. And it's going in the same direction as the first wire. Alright, the next one. I set this up for an LR circuit, and I just used the wrong equation. I was using a discharging equation instead of a charging equation, so I didn't have my 1 minus, which I started it out the right way here, but then I went and scribbled it out, but I did it the right way over here, and in the end I ended up getting 1.6 henries as the final answer using the right equation this time from the beginning. And for the last one, all I think I did wrong was I used cosine of 60 when it should have been the cosine of 30. And so I set this all up. I think I did everything right. My phi equals BA cosine of that, and my E right here equals d phi over dt. Set that up for my phi over here with my BA cosine. But right here I had my cosine is 1/2, when in reality it should have been cosine of 30, not cosine of 60. And so I solved it out using cosine of 60 when I should have had it doing cosine of 30. And so those are the mistakes I made, and that's it.